Attention. Okay, walk fast, please. How fast can you walk? Okay, now sing reins up. Both reins your right hand, slide the left hand down. Disengage the horse's hind end, at least quarter of a circle. More, Lord. More. Okay. Everybody go to the right, please.
Go ahead.
How fast can you walk? Single rein stop, please. Both reins in your left hand, slide your right hand down. Disengage the horse hind end. Lord, you got to keep going, dear. He's not disengaging yet. Disengage. There you go. Now let him stop. Only pull on one rein, Laura. What's that? Okay. Only pull on one. Don't use your outside rein. You understand? You don't pull back at all. It's all with one rein, Laura. You ask a question or just looking at me? Poor thing. You poor thing. Okay, everybody go to the right again. Walk faster till your horse trots. Keep going, Nick. You're doing good. Single rein stop, please. Very good, guys. Paula, how come you didn't single rein stop here? Very good, guys. Paula, trot on, please.